That's correct, yeah.
Yeah. And what does the book teach men in terms of how to deal with
Okay, there are
the
two
pain?
books. There are two books. Inqaba Grief and Hope. The book, the main reason I wrote that book was to just try and invite people to have a dialogue with God, Because I feel like uNkulunkulu is willing to have a dialogue with us. It's not like there's a topic that is too big for God to, to discuss, Instead of ukuthi umuntu anqanyukelelwe ingalo, kuthiwa it's just life, carry on with life, something happens, you lose a limb, people just say no, just carry on with life, that is life. No, I get to know. I understand the life element part of it, but let's talk about it. Why did it happen? We have questions that we don't verbalize, and I wanted to do that. Like one of the questions is why kukhona abantu abasindisiwe abakholwayo abamthandayo uNkulunkulu behluleka ukuthola ingane emshadweni, but khona abantu abangashadile abasesesikoleni bathola ingane beyifaka emgqonyeni. I'm not blaming God ngalokho, but I am saying let us have a dialogue, because we might not have a dialogue, but the truth of the matter is there's someone who's going through this, who's battling with the same thing. Ukuthi, I love this God, but this God, I don't understand how he allows some of these things. I'm not gonna say why bad things happen to good people, because that will take some time to unpack. The mere fact that we are thinking we are good people, it might be questionable as well. But yeah, you see, so it's a book mfethu eqala ngomuntu omzalwane elahlekelwe ingane, appear strong, but later on we are break it down because kunama stages of grief, So when I wrote this book, I realized after ukuthi this book somehow followed ama-stages of grief, because bakwazi abantu ukuthi bazokufihlisa umuntu wakini, bahambe bethi cha lo muntu strong, kanti abazi ukuthi later on uzobe usushawa ukuthi uthe uvula ikhabethi wathola i-toys lengane, noma impahla zomuntu, noma ipleti lakhe. Usibani ngabe useshaya le joke manje, yabo lento le. So abantu sebengcwabisile bathi cha le family ba strong, bamkhonza uNkulunkulu, and later on ama marriages break. I deal with men kuma men's Brian dialogue, and we get to deal with these things. Abanye uthola ukuthi kubhlungu ngalendlela ukuthi baphunyelwe izisu. The society never got to know, but it's between the two of them, And then the book brings this thing as well, ukuthi sisi mabe no partner babo kubo ngazuthi singanokwazi uku-understandana, because sometimes ikhona lento ukuthi ku-expecteke ukuthi khona ipart efane understand enye kuze kube ngathi lena ayibuzwanga ubuhlungu, yabo lento leyo. Nokuthi indlela esidila ngayo ne-grief ne-pain ayifani, khona uzokwazi ukuthi akhale kalula, khona uzofuna ukuba kwi-isolation, yabo lento leyo. So uthola ukuthi ngiyangifonela osisi beveza ukuthi ku-husband wami izinto ayisahambi kahle ever since we lost a child, noma something happened, noma wa-retrenchwa, because men are human beings and they go through izinto, but society is not yet ready to really open the door and have a dialogue. You are a human being. It's okay to feel indlela ethile sometimes,